All right, y'all. What's good? Market's about to open in 5 minutes. So let's get into it. So I'm sort of thinking that I would rather be I'm more bearish today just because there's really no draws on liquidity to the upside. We're kind of in this no man's land. There's really no draws on liquidity to the upside until all the way up here. And is price really going to go all the way up there just to get the straw? Who knows? Um, but I'm more thinking bearish because every single draw of liquidity is to the downside. We have London low, hourly low. We have all these stacked up 30-minute lows. And we also have a data low from news coming in at 7:30. But as well, on top of that, we also do have a data high, which is also London high. Um, we had a bunch of news coming that came out at 7:30, but other than that, we don't really have any other news besides coming out at 9:30. We have that coming out, natural gas storage, but I doubt that'll have any major effect on anything. So yeah, I'm thinking that shorts for sure, or if market opens and we come down and we sweep out like all these draws, then maybe longs up to London high, which is also a data high. Which is also a data high. But what also makes me want to be short is that we're also forming a 1 hour bearish SMT from this high to this high because ES didn't take it out. So ES didn't take out that high, and we practically made equal highs with it. So we'll just have to see. I kind of would like to see price honestly take out this data high at market open because if you know, whenever data highs are created, there's an 80% chance that the session it was created in it gets taken out. So I would rather honestly us just take out this data high and then we can look for short. But even if we don't, shorts is still an option because we also do have a data low to the downside, which is right here. So we'll just have to kind of react off of how price opens. All right, y'all. Market has just opened. We opened up strong to the upside. I don't know if we're gonna take these out or not. We might. NQ is opening bearish, looking like we're about to take out this data low on NQ. But we shall see. Yeah, NQ just took out this data low. We might even take out London low as well. But yeah, market was very choppy. I can't really like give a daily bias off a London session because it was just straight chop. So I'm kind of just going off of like, holy crap, what is wrong with my dogs? 8:30 in the morning, by the way. Gosh, bro, I can't take this. All right, so we took out London low. Dude, I'm actually gonna go like kill my dogs, bro. All right, so NQ is taking out basically like every draw to the downside. So this is kind of interesting because ES hasn't done anything. Well, actually, I suppose ES is just lacking behind. So yeah, we opened up, we took out every draw, basically every draw on the liquidity to the downside. Besides these 30 minutes and 4 hour. So I mean, we could still look for this to continue lower, which wouldn't surprise me, and look to target this 4 hour low down here and this 30-minute low. And same thing with ES because ES is lacking behind, so we could still look for these targets. But yeah, we just took out that data low and London low. So I think I'm going to be either looking for this to continue down to this 4 hour low and 30-minute low, or for us to reverse. But we still have plenty of lowers and draws in liquidity. So what I'm probably gonna be looking for is like a retracement and then seeing what we do off that retracement. So like maybe a 5-minute equilibrium retrace and then see if we break back to the downside on the 1 minute. And if we do, then maybe shorts down in this 4-hour low. Oh yeah, y'all, I just churned 18 as well. So I can now trade my funded account that I passed. But I'm not gonna do that yet because I bought a new one, so I'm gonna try and pass this one first. See if I can pass this one. And then trade that one. There could be good longs here because all we have to remember is that this London high / data high has an 80% chance of being taken out within this session. Doesn't mean we're gonna take it out like right now. Obviously we have the entire session to do that, but it's just always a good reminder to keep that in mind that there is a data high up here that we have a good chance of taking it out within, the time we're trading, which is, for me at least, usually like the maximum I'll stay on is till 10, but I usually hop off around like 9:30, 9 to 9:30, because usually after that the market's just moving slowly. All right, so right now we are not getting a retrace and we are literally just dumping the bet on NQ. We just took out, I think that's a 30. Yeah, we just took out this 30-minute low. So nothing there. As I thought we were gonna be bearish, but price just didn't give us an entry for it, which kind of sucks. I mean, it is only 11 minutes in the market open, so it's not like I probably wouldn't have taken anything crazy anyways. But if we could have gotten a retrace and then a break off of it, would have been a pretty freaking good trade. So now, realistically, we can I would expect some form of retracement here now. If we are going to continue lower, I don't think we're just going to dump. I would expect price to either reverse off this point, or for us to get a retrace and then maybe continue lower. But it can, but I just don't know what we would exactly be targeting. From this point, I'm probably just gonna be looking for a reversal. Maybe I'll see what happens if we do get a retracement, and then a 1 minute break or something. All right, so ES is coming dangerously close to this low down here, this 4-hour low. So I actually think we might take this out on ES. And so if we do get a retracement, we could actually look to target down here since we are actually close enough to it, but there's still been no retracement. We've literally just dumped since market open. All right, so ES just took out this 4-hour low. I mean, honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if we go lower, like seriously. We're so close. We're so close. We got it. We got a retrace. We got a retrace. Wow. We actually got one. Alright, dude. So we got one on ES. I would honestly rather get one on NQ too, because I want to take it on NQ. Technically, we are forming a 5-minute SMT because ES already took out this low that NQ's trying to take out. All right, so we got it on NQ as well. So now, realistically, what I would say is then wait for a 1 minute break to the downside. But honestly, man, I don't think, now that we've gotten this retrace, I don't think that we're just gonna come down and take these out. I definitely think we're gonna come higher. We'll probably come up to like here, at least. But we'll see how price reacts off this 15-minute gap. We'll see what we do. Honestly, I am thinking that if we do inverse this 5-minute gap, shorts, not shorts, longs. What am I talking about? Shorts. Yeah, let me take shorts on the inverse gap. Because we realistically, because we can't wait for this 15-minute to be inverse, because we're gonna have to inverse it all the way up here, and then it's like, oh yeah, we're gonna take a trade like that, bro. Like, yeah, no one's doing that. All right, y'all, so we did get that retrace. Well, obviously, yeah. Right now we are coming down into, okay. So if we inverse this 5-minute gap right here, let me mark it out. To the downside on NQ, I'm gonna take shorts. I just got done taking a freaking shite, so yeah. But yeah, if we can inverse this 5-minute gap on NQ, then I'd feel good to go short. But like I said, they're also still long picture. We just got a retrace to the downside on ES. So honestly, realistically, if we break to the upside on ES, I think I might take longs up to this data high. But if we inverse this gap on NQ to the downside, then I think I might take shorts, just targeting these 2 4-hour lows. All right, right now we are getting a good, I don't know what that was. We are getting a good push up. So like I said, if we break above this, we can break structure here. Then I'm gonna take longs up to this data high. And this is probably what the trade will look like. I'll do it. I'll fucking do it. Alright. I'll be back in like 20-30 minutes to see where this trade's at, whether we get stopped out or not. Break even here. TP obviously there. And like I said, the reason that I feel good taking this trade is simply because what we're targeting is a data high. So, bro, can this thing... Dude, this dog is actually tripping balls right now. I literally can't adjust that. Okay, well, it's like a 1 to 2 risk reward. Alright, y'all, so we did actually come pretty close to getting stopped out, but then we're reversing right now into some profit. So alright, y'all, right now we are getting absolutely cooked to the downside. We had a really good push up, and right now we are getting smoked to the downside. We'll see what happens. This works every time usually. You grab the magnet. You grab the pickaxe. Flip it around. Oh, I don't think it's working. Come on. Come on, it's kind of working. It's kind of working. This works usually like every time. You gotta use the magnet method. Come on. Come on. Nope. Nope. Don't go down. Come on. I'm not going fast enough, that's why. Come on. Come on. I don't think it's working, guys. Wait. it's working. Bang. See now how I stopped. Now it's going down. Now it's gonna hit my stop loss. Yep. Told y'all. Let's see. Alright, so we lost 4. Dude, alright, I don't even know if this account is even tradable, because I only have 179 left on it. Well, dude, that kind of sucks, bro. Dude, I swear, ever since I started posting, I've only lost. I don't think I've posted a win on here. Yeah, I think I was on like a 6-win streak. Just getting all the losses out of the way before I trade my my funded. So we chill. All right, so I guess tomorrow we will trade up this account, try and get a win with 170, 180. So risk reward is gonna be cooked. But yeah, kind of sucks. See y'all tomorrow.